Well, it's early Sunday evening. Welcome to the Carlos Cook's Kitchen. I know I said the other day in one of my videos that I wasn't prepared to buy any more kitchen gadgets, but I'm afraid I have to confess I have. As you can see, this cabinet that I built at the back of the kitchen is already filled with various gadgets like the bean to cup coffee machine and my stand mixer and a load of other junk. But this is the new addition. It's the Tower air fryer, sort of like a mini oven. Cost me about £129, a little bit pricey, but I tell you, once you've tasted bacon cooked in this thing, it's worth every penny. Tonight I've just got a very easy dinner of breaded chicken breast and chips cooking in there, and it will do a wonderful job on those chips, frozen chips. It's very easy to use, it's got simple controls, it's just timer and temperature. But this unit has a little added extra, and that it's got a rotisserie. So if you can find a chicken small enough to go in there, there's a rotisserie system in there, and you get a couple of spikes to put in the chicken, and it'll cook that for you nicely. Comes with these great sort of trays for frying. There's 3 of these supplied and a tray for the bottom as well. So it's got all the bits and pieces you need, and I'm really impressed with it so far. So it's it's been a worthwhile expense, I think. My main oven is pretty much on its last legs, so I thought I need a backup. And although it's not suitable for cooking, for family events or anything like that, it does fine for a person on their own to put in. And I've baked some little ready meals in there as well. So it's a lot more efficient, so should help with the power crisis we're going through at the moment. But that's it anyway. So just a short video to show you that new item in the kitchen.